Guys, I know choosing the right university is a huge decision and it's a lot of investment. So I am here to share my experience on why I selected University of Bath and why I chose the course of international management. So before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because I'm bringing a lot of new videos on my experience in UK. So let's get first started. Thing first, why UK? So UK ticked a lot of boxes for me, right from having 1 year of masters, because when I did my research, I got to know that Australia, USA, other countries have 2 years of masters. So it saved my time and also money wise, because if it's more number of years, then you have to spend more. Okay, apart from that, there's international exposure. There are people from different parts of the world. वो अलग बात है कि मैनेजमेंट में ज़्यादा इंडियंस और एशियंस होते हैं, बट स्टिल माय कोहॉर्ट हैड मिक्स्ड ग्रुप. एंड उसके अलावा वर्ल्ड क्लास रेप्यूटेड universities. The rankings are so good. Now I tell anyone that, okay, I've graduated, I've did my masters from University of Bath. It gives a different, kind of proud moment for me. So yes, so this is why I chose UK first of all. So firstly, you need to select the country that you want to do your masters in. Okay, now before selecting the uni, you need to select your institution or consultant with whom you want to go to the uni. So they actually act like your GPS in selecting the unis. So I did it from SIUK. Okay, so they get their commission from the university, so you don't have to pay anything. They guide you through the uni selection, to course selection, to your SOPs, cover letters, CV. So they'll help you with everything. And you don't have to get lost in thousands of websites. They're going to streamline it for you. There are n number of free consultations you have with them. They're not going to guide you on accommodation, but apart from that, right, uh, from your visas to sorting your finances and everything, they're going to help you. So please select your institution very carefully. And if you have like any suggestions, you can write in the comment section so that other students also get to know about it. Okay, now that your institution is finalized, then comes the big question, what course? Because on the basis of this course, you're going to select the unis which provide this course and which is the best one. Okay, so for me, I thought international management is the best because it's so versatile. It covers different subjects that I was interested in, like strategy, cross cultural management, operational side from global angle, then financial management. So it had like all the things that I wanted to cover. But before selecting this also, I had like two options. Should I go in masters in do my masters in management or international management or MBA? So you have to really screen down what you exactly want. It takes a lot of time. So be careful in your selection. If you want, take help of your parents, your teachers, or your friends. Okay, so I shortlisted a few universities depending on the course that I selected, and I applied in Manchester, Exeter, Nottingham, uh, even King's College London, Warwick, and Bath. So out of all this, Bath stood out. Why? Because of its ranking in my course. And secondly, it's a more of research based university. It's not part of the Russell Group, but it's a more research based university. And seeing the reviews, I got to know that it has more of international crowd than other universities. So that was another reason. Then the location. So Bath is a very safe place, and I was literally scared, like choosing other universities and on the terms of safety. But Bath's really safe. And secondly, like the city itself, it's a UNESCO heritage site. It has Roman bath, and then the city center is so beautiful. Like you'll never feel like moving out of this place. Even in terms of career support, they have like a good placement team. Many of my friends got placed from the uni. They have career fairs. They uh, teach you like for more from a practical point of view. We had a few business seminars, and they took us to Wimbledon, to Cadbury. There were few other tools to make you aware about the businesses in general, how they operate. So this was a very good experience for me, and I met lot of people जो अभी अपना खुद का business कर रहे हैं, या they got jobs in very reputed firms and companies. So yeah, that's my story. I hope I have given you some insight on this. And it's not about choosing a university, it's about choosing a place where you'll be growing both academically and personally. So you have to select it from that way. Don't listen to what other people say or what their review was. You have to do your own research. Please go into deep research. Make an Excel file of universities, the courses, pros and cons, and then compare it. कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी कौन सा कोर्स आपके लिए बेस्ट है. डोंट जस्ट, आई वुड से, लाइक माय एडवाइस इज, डोंट जस्ट गो थ्रू द रैंकिंग्स and even what your institution says, the one that you're going with, but you need to listen to yourself. That's my main advice. And then figure out what works best for you. But I'm here to support you either way. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe my channel, and I'll come up with next video on my experience in UK and what I did after my masters. So yes, I hope you're doing well, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.